Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. For those of you who are live streaming but your live stream has no viewers or even no one at all watching your live stream, today I'm going to show you a tool that can help you increase the number of viewers for your TikTok live stream. And it will help you increase the number of likes and interactions so that your TikTok live stream will be recommended to more potential viewers. More people will come in and watch.
That's absolutely right.
This tool is specifically designed to help you efficiently manage an unlimited number of secondary TikTok accounts with ease and convenience. You are able to add as many of your secondary TikTok accounts here as you wish. There is no upper limit, so the more accounts you have, the better your experience will be. These additional accounts will automatically join and watch your live stream whenever you go live, and they will also interact with your live stream as well, providing engagement and support. Regarding these accounts, you can either create these accounts yourself or buy them. Next, to increase interaction for your live stream, you'll select the seeding feature. Here, there are several functions. First, you can interact with your videos or you can interact with your live stream. So, choose seeding live stream. First, all you need to do is paste the link to your live stream here. I will show you. Let's go back to TikTok. I'll give you a clear example. I'll take any live stream link you have. You just need to copy this live stream link for me and then paste it into the software. Okay. Next, you can set up various different parameters in the software, such as liking the live stream or commenting on it. Okay. The comments will follow your own script, and you can add or edit the comment content. You can enter the content you want to comment right here in this field.
To everyone.
You can have these TikTok accounts go and share your live stream for everyone, and once you set up these TikTok accounts, they will join and watch your live stream for a certain number of seconds or minutes. If you want these accounts to watch for a longer time, you can increase the viewing duration accordingly. And I've received a lot of questions from customers. For example, how many TikTok accounts can be opened on one computer? Normally, a computer can open about 30 to 40 TikTok accounts, which means you can increase your live viewers by 30 to 40. If your computer is powerful, you might be able to open 50 to 100 accounts at the same time. So it really depends on your computer's configuration. And essentially, using this software helps your live stream session get more interactions. That way, TikTok's algorithm will push your live stream higher. For example, normally when you start the software, it will open 30 accounts at once to watch your live stream. After those 30 accounts finish, it will continue to open another 30 accounts, and so on, one batch after another. TikTok's algorithm will then recognize your live stream as high quality, and as a result, it will start recommending it to real users. Real people will come in, real people will watch your live stream. That's basically how it works. After you set up all the parameters, you just select the TikTok accounts, and all you have to do is press start. The software will automatically open up the TikTok accounts for you.
Absolutely.
As you can see on the screen, I'm opening nearly 20 Facebook accounts and nearly 20 TikTok accounts at the same time with just one click. And if I open it to the max, it can handle around 40 TikTok accounts at once. It depends on your computer's specs. So if you build a machine with stronger specs, it can open 50 to 100 TikTok accounts or even more. That's how it starts opening the accounts. These accounts will then begin to enter the IT session. Here, as you can see here.